So, a couple of little projects. There's Pippa. There's little Jake. Sorting out Big Jake's problems. So, let's give it some herbs. Yep, clutch in. Clutch pivot bolt is in. New horn sound check. Just not sure about that brake light. I don't think that brake light switch is working. In fact, it's not. Well, that's good. Not. How about the rear brake? The rear brake working. Okay, so that's working. Oh no, it is working. Oh, thank goodness for that. Okay, 3 out of 3 then. Thought seeing as though I had the battery off, and I was have to fiddle around with that, I thought I might as well get the new the horn reinstalled. Anyway, ciao.